What's going on, guys? Uh, just kick back, chilling, man. Just got done eating. Uh, just cooking out here on the grill, man. Now I'm sitting out here enjoying this nice summer night, man. Finally cooled down here in the SC, as Big Daddy B likes to call it. Uh, you guys used to see me in my office, but I finally broke down. Went and bought a laptop. Didn't really need one, but fucking figured fuck it, it's about time, just in case or whatever. This webcam isn't working as good as I thought it would, man. I don't know if it's webcam or the software I'm using. The software that came with it, I'm gonna fuck around with it and try and figure it out. Maybe get it to work a little better. It works better inside. You know, I'm out here at nighttime. That's got a little bit to do with it, but anyways, man, wasn't really plan on posting any vids here till after the lockout and things got rolling again. By the way, Cleveland Browns, 216 Cleveland Browns, yeah, there's still a lockout going on. I don't know what the fuck was going on with that vid you made telling everybody the lockout was over. But anyways, you're the main focal point of this vid anyway. Oh, by the way, nice job. All those vids you posted talking shit about Steeler fans, and then turn around and delete all your fucking vids, man. That was a really pussyfied move. At least now you can get on here and lie to us and tell us how you accidentally deleted your vids and all that bullshit. But you was talking about how nobody would back Steeltown Champs up. No Steeler fans would rally around him. The vid you were making about him and about us. No Steeler fans would comment on your burning the towel vids, which, like, you made a remark about. Well, I made 2 of them. I noticed you've been fucking posting around on every other goddamn burning the towel vid you could find, telling everybody to watch yours. The fact of the matter is, dude, as far as those towels go, fucking burn as many of them as you want, man. I'm sure I speak for tons of Steeler fans when we tell you we don't really give a shit. Every towel you buy and burn, which, like I told you in your fucking vid when I commented, it's a donation to the Allegheny School for the mentally challenged, so burn away, motherfucker. Oh yeah, by the way, you misspelled towel, dumbass. So, I mean, that goes out to you Ravens fans, Bengals fans, whoever, man. Fucking burn 1,000 of those motherfuckers. We don't really care. Because, the thing is, it's not going to change the fact that 2 Sundays out of the year that you play us, you're going to fucking lose. You're not going to change that fact. And, like I said, you talking about nobody would back Steeltown Champs up. You afraid to fucking comment on your vids. You're burning the towel vid, whatever. Let me clue you into something, man. The reason none of us have commented or made a fucking comeback vid is you're a fucking joke. We don't fucking give a shit, man. Even Ravens fans have told you you're a fucking joke, man. So, I mean, go knock yourself out, motherfucker. Because at the end of the day, you're still a fucking joke. Uh, you've been battling with a kid on here, man. You know, no offense, Steel Town. Uh, but, you know, the first adult that come back at you and fucking was Big Daddy B, and he called you a fucking illiterate fuck, a pussy, a fucking everything he could think of to call you, and your only comeback to him was, well, I stopped making vids halfway through the season because my computer was broke down. You completely ignored the fact that he was calling you a fucking retard, a faggot, every fucking thing you think of to call you. You know, and the thing was, you know, you should, you wouldn't spend an hour digging out a fucking receipt to show him that your computer had multiple viruses on it. That's the reason it was broke down. Norton, McAfee, there's a bunch of fucking virus softwares out there you can buy. You know, I mean, you're making fucking $10 an hour. You know, they're $40 a year. That's like, you know, a little less than $4 a month. I think you can afford it. Oh, wait a minute, 10, 15. And if you get the 3 nickels. So I mean, that was fucking total bullshit. The fact is, man, the only motherfucker over there I got any respect for is you're all witnesses. He, I have some respect for. The rest of you fucking clowns are fucking clowns. And then you got A Train, you know, which I'm gonna call you L Train because you remind me more of a fucking subway car than a freight train. He's come out of retirement. They're making a 2-minute vid. Dude, go set your big ass back on the couch and watch your fucking WWF or E or whatever letter they're using now, and make your fucking wrestling videos. Wrestling is a fucking soap opera for rednecks. And you know, retire. You retired. I'm unretired. I'm retired. I'm unretired. You Brett Favre wannabe motherfucker. Big Daddy B. Bandwagon band, huh? Really? Because I don't live in the state of Pittsburgh or state of Pennsylvania anymore. I was born and raised 80 miles from Pittsburgh. I was born a Steeler fan. I grew up a Steeler fan. I moved to South Carolina, and because I didn't become a fucking Carolina Panthers fan when I moved down here and stayed a true blue Pittsburgh Steelers fan, makes me a bandwagoner. I don't fucking see how you can come to that conclusion. From what I understand, you come from a lot further north than where you live now. So that tells me that in your early years you were probably a New England Patriots fan, a Jets fan or something. And then you moved to Baltimore, and all of a sudden now you're a Ravens fan. Who's the fucking bandwagoner here? Let's get serious. You are, motherfucker. You know it. I know it. Now everybody else knows it. Now that comment you made about Still Legends mediocre crow vid, and you would expect nothing more from a Steelers fan. Did you forget about Bob and his boyfriend Kevin, Ravens Red Zone? By the way, Bob, I don't think that's your name. I think that's what you do. Not only did they fucking refuse to crow up after their loss to us, they fucking bitched and moaned and whined and cried like a couple fucking girls about that loss. So, I think you want to ease up on Still Legends a little bit. And, fellas, I think that's about covers it all. 216. Like I said, man, nobody's responded to you, you know, basically because you're a fucking joke. Uh, that's about it, dudes. Oh yeah, shout out to Mr. Ravens fan. Back at you, bro. Much respect here too. Thinking that's about it, bro. In the words of Cue Ball,
Bam, bitches!